Have you ever wondered whether or not you should plant hybrid seeds or heirloom seeds, or whether it really matters? Well, it's a very common question, and I love answering it because it's such a fun topic. And really, the true answer is that it doesn't matter. You can plant hybrids and you can plant heirlooms. I always have a combination of both in my garden because I like both for certain reasons. And the main difference is that if you plant heirloom varieties, you can plant that vegetable and then save those seeds from that plant, because heirlooms are a true variety. They are not crossed with any other type of vegetable, and so when you save the seeds from an heirloom variety, whatever that is, you will get those seeds that you can save, and then you can plant it next year and get that same variety. But if you plant a hybrid vegetable plant, you cannot save those seeds because it won't produce that same exact variety that next season. So for example, a Better Boy tomato is a hybrid tomato, and that's a cross of multiple varieties to create the Better Boy plant. And if you save the seeds from the Better Boy tomato, you won't actually get seeds that produce a Better Boy tomato plant. Whereas right here I have some Crimson Sweet watermelon, and they are an heirloom. And so if I plant these watermelons and then save the seeds, I'm going to get a Crimson Sweet watermelon. So that's really the main difference. And the other thing is that when you go out to the store, I feel like hybrids are really easy to come across, but heirlooms sometimes, or at least good quality heirlooms, may not be as easy to find. And so that's why I always like to order my heirlooms from a tried and true company that produces good quality heirloom seeds. And right now I have this pack right here from Survival Garden Seeds, and I got the home garden packet, and I just opened it up, and I'm actually really excited because there's so many great varieties. One of the things that I completely forgot to put on my garden plan this year was watermelon seeds, and they have Crimson Sweet watermelon in here, which I was just telling my husband about the fact that I wanted to plant watermelons this year because our little son Cooper is almost a year old and he's loving all vegetables and fruits and all the foods, but melons would be really fun for him this summer to have. And so those were just seeds that I actually didn't have yet. And so I just got, like I said, I just got this collection from Survival Garden Seeds, and there's 30 different varieties in here. We have squashes, melons, zucchini, radishes, tomatoes, beets, some wildflowers, herbs, eggplant, another type of melon, okra, jalapenos, dill, spinach, all kinds of things. And so if you're looking for a really good collection of heirlooms to plant in your garden this year, I highly recommend this collection from Survival Garden Seeds. This was the first year that I got this collection, and it's always fun to order from different companies and see what they send you. I think the biggest thing when you're getting heirlooms is just to get them from a high quality company, and there's so many out there, but Survival Garden Seeds are definitely known for their good quality heirlooms, and so check them out. The link will be in the description. And then just remember, as you're planting your garden this year, heirlooms, you need to make sure you label them so that you remember those are the heirloom varieties. And then if you want to try saving seeds, those are the vegetables that you can save the seeds from. And then if you decide to plant some hybrids as well, go for it. Hybrids, there is a lot of great hybrid varieties out there. And so just make sure you remember which ones are hybrids and which ones are heirlooms so that you save seeds from the correct variety. And then just start keeping track of all the different varieties and figure out what you like best. There's so many heirlooms out there that actually have much better flavor than hybrids. And the reason why a lot of hybrids were created was because they have longer shelf life, and so they can be sold in stores and travel across the country to get to all the markets. But most heirlooms just could not do that. And so they're great for the home garden, but they're not always great for mass production. And so if you've never tried heirlooms, I definitely recommend them. Some of them have such better flavor than hybrids that you can grow, or even hybrid, or definitely better than hybrids at the store, but even sometimes better than the fresh hybrid vegetables that you can have in the garden. So check out their Survival Garden Seeds collection below. And now that we've been talking all about saving seeds, be sure to head to this video next where I talk all about how to save okra seeds, which is one of my favorite vegetables to actually save seeds from because they're super simple. So head to that video and I will see you there.